Today we're going to make honey chicken. The chicken is going to be super crispy and it's coated with a sweet honey sauce. It's over the top delicious. First, we're going to tenderize both sides of the chicken breast with the back of your knife. Cut the chicken breast into 1-inch pieces. To marinate the chicken, in a bowl, we're going to add in the egg white, salt, white pepper, and cornstarch slurry. So I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Transfer the chicken and give it a good mix. Marinate for 10 minutes. To make the sauce, add in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, honey, salt, white pepper, and chicken stock. Mix well. To make the batter, in a large bowl, mix in the cornstarch, flour, baking soda. The baking soda will make the batter extra crispy. Baking powder. The baking powder will make the batter airy and puffy. Salt, egg, and water. Transfer the chicken to the batter and combine. In a large pot, over high heat, add the extra light olive oil. You could also use any other high smoking point oil that you like. And heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully place in the chicken. And fry for about 5 minutes until golden color. Remove the chicken and place them on a plate. Then heat the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Return the chicken and fry for another 2 minutes until super crispy. Double frying makes the chicken super crispy and less oily. When the exterior temperature is hotter than the interior temperature, it forces the oil from the inside to come out. So it's super crispy and not greasy. In a pan over medium heat, pour in the sauce and bring it to a simmer. Pour in the cornstarch slurry. So I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Return the chicken. Stir until all the chicken is coated. Okay, so today we made crispy honey chicken and it's super delicious. And at the end, I kind of want to add some garnishes like scallions and sesame seeds. And guess what? Now it turned out to be honey sesame chicken. But either way, it's super delicious. I really enjoy it. And I hope that you like it as well. And if you do, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye for now!